Sparky Sparks here. I've got new hair. This is by Ellen Wille, and I'm just loving this. Love the length, great for summertime. I've put her up in a little thing. I'm gonna show you how I did that. But this is Champagne Rooted is the color, and the style is called Arrow. I think this is perfect for summer. So let me show you the back and how I've fixed her back there. So I'm on the floor in my house, so bear with me. But I know I get a lot of comments about, you want to see the back? Yes, of course. So again, this is Ellen Wille's Arrow. Love the density. It's not too much hair, really, at all. So what I did is I put a little elastic bracelet in my hair to hold it up. So this is how she looks pretty much out of the box. Gorgeous colors. This is Champagne Rooted. Great hairline. I really like her up. I think she just looks a little more, for me, a little more elegant. I'd love to know your thoughts. I go back and forth between long hair and short hair. Now, I also want to show you another Ellen Wille in, let's see, and she's also in Champagne Rooted. So let me grab her and I'm going to show you the difference between two styles in the same color. All right, pause for 1 second. She's going to be a lot different than the one I have on. And I love your comments, so keep those coming. So I'm gonna do another Ellen Wille wig. So this is Ellen Wille, and it's spelled W-I-L-L-E, pronounced Villa. So this is Arrow. Now let's put on Elan. This is gonna be a whole different change. So let's do this. Also an Ellen Wille wig, Elan, and this is called Light Champagne Rooted, so a little bit different. And we're just going to put her on. So for my ladies who have long hair and have always wanted to try short hair, this is how fast it is. So Elan in Light Champagne Rooted. So I just cut my hair. Let me show you the back. Super cool for summer. My goodness. You could go anywhere in this heat. If you're in Florida or Dallas, wherever you are. It gets hot here in Southern California too. But what a change, right? So naturally I have short hair, always have. Except high school, I had it shoulder length. But I'd love to know your thoughts. A striking difference, right? Between short hair, Ellen Wille, Light Champagne Rooted, to Arrow. Let's see if I can, Arrow in Champagne Rooted, not light, but Champagne Rooted. A quick change, right? Adjust the ear tabs. And for this, I would do half up, half down. I'd love to know your thoughts. Isn't this fun? So if you've started to try wigs or you have questions about wigs, please reach out. And if you have long hair and have always wanted to have short hair, but weren't quite ready or afraid to make that, it's a big commitment to go short because it takes so long to grow it out. Why not a wig? Why not? Indeed. Have a great day. Cheers.